That's easy.
What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to do a water pump in a 2015 Honda Accord, and this has the 4-cylinder 2.4, the Earth Dreams. And I'm just going to show you how it's done, tell you the way to do it. So let's not waste any time. Let's flip the camera around and make it happen. All right, here we are. I've taken a little bit of it apart just so you can see some of the ins and outs. But the first thing I did was I removed the tensioner. I took the serpentine belt off. There's the tensioner. The tensioner has a hidden bolt in the very center right here, and it's a Torx bit. I mean a Torx, but it's an Allen bit, 8mm, and then a 12mm at the bottom. I took that off and I fished that out of the top. Then I took the alternator loose and just tipped it up over there. And now that's going to gain access pretty wide open. I've got the wheel off and the inner fender's already done the honors from the car being somewhat beat to death. So I'm going to get to a few bolts from the bottom, and then I'm going to get to a few at the top. Some of them are in this pulley right here. But then once I do this, it's going to come right out of the top. I'm going to clean it up real good. I'm going to put it back in. We're going to put it together. But that's pretty much how that rolls out. Yep. So that's how you do the water pump. And I'll clean it, of course, and all that. But let me flip the camera back around, look good. Peace out.